Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen. In today's video I want to show you how I'm going to transform this back deck into something nice, beautiful and relaxing. My mom asked me for help, so I'm here to help her out. This is my mom's house back deck and she wanna make this space nice and cozy and ready for summer. So let me show you what I'm going to do with this space. But before we jump into that, please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And now let me show you what I'm going to do with this outdoor space. So this is how the back deck looked before the makeover, and recently we painted the floors this dark wood tone because before it was everything white, but I decided to add some contrast to this outdoor space, and I love how the dark tone with the white goes. It looks beautiful. I love how it turned out. It looks amazing. I like it. So I was looking for an outdoor side table, but I didn't find something that I like. So I decided to make my own outdoor side table. So it was super easy DIY project. I bought this laundry basket from Target for $20, and then this tabletop from Hobby Lobby. It was $10. So between both of them, I only spent $30 to make this side table. So it was super easy. I just removed the handles, and then I used some wood stain for the tabletop, so it was super easy. I decided to restore this all outdoor furniture that I have in storage, and I'm going to restore it and give it to my mom for this makeover. So the product that I am going to use are so amazing, so easy and so affordable. I use these products in my own house to restore the crown molding and the baseboard and also the doors. And I'm going to use Howard Restore and Finish and Fit and Wax. And you can buy these products at Amazon and Lowe's, and other stores sell them for less than $15. And Restore and Finish comes in 9 different colors, and the color that I'm going to be using for this project is going to be the golden oak. And the first thing I'm going to do is to clean the wood very good, and then I'm going to use it all wrapped and wipe it on. And after one application you can see the difference. It looks amazing, but I usually do 2 applications and then I wait 30 minutes, and then I'm going to use the fit and wax and let it sit for another 20 minutes, and then I wipe it off. So it looks amazing. I love this product, and I'm not sponsored by them. I just like to share with you guys what I use in my house or when I restore any furniture. And this coffee table, you can see the difference between one side is complete and the other side is not, and you can see the difference. So I love it, and this old coffee table looks amazing, brand new. And of course, I bought more flowers and plants because they're going to look amazing in this back deck makeover. And I love this time of the year because everything come back to life. Everything is so green, so many colors of flowers. I love it, and it's going to look amazing. Now it's the time to start decorating this outdoor space. I'm super excited. And the first thing we did, we add this outdoor umbrella, and then I start cleaning everything very good before I start adding all the decoration items to this makeover. So first I start adding all the furniture before I start placing all the decoration items like the flowers, the candles, the plants, and the side table. First I decide to place all the way that I want the furniture to go, and then I start adding the side table that I make, and also I found this basket that I have in my house, and I just added plant. I'm going to add some plants here, and I just basically use whatever I have, and then I just bought another few items. I just bought these pillows too because I have other ones but I didn't like them, so I just replaced the pillow. But basically I use whatever I found in my house to decorate the space. And I add these flowers, the one my friend gave me yesterday, and also some candles because you have to have some candles. And I bought that from Hobby Lobby, and of course some wine, some more plants. So a few more items to make this space cozy and beautiful and relaxed. String light to the back deck makeover because it will make the space feel nice and cozy. Now it's time for the reveal. I hope you guys enjoy this back porch makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed this back porch makeover that I did for my mom, and I hope you guys can get some ideas and tips on how to transform a outdoor space into something cozy and relaxing and ready for summer, so you and your family can enjoy and not spending too much money on a budget. You can make anything, maybe use what you already have and transform that in something beautiful. And that's what I use. I kind of use what we already have and just buy a few other items to make the space cozy and relaxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and I see you next time. Thank you for watching.